Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today we will learn about the statistic data analysis tool here, this box. So this is important that in many Excel this is not appear here. So now let I remove this and then I try to put here again the data analysis tool, so we can use it for statistical analysis. Now what you have to do, you have to click file and then here is option. So just click the option and then you have to click on add ins. Okay, when you click it, here is analysis tool pack. Okay, so now when you click it, don't click OK, but just click go. Okay, and now this is analysis tool pack which already exists here, so let's I remove it and now click OK. So now look at here is no data analysis icon. Okay, so now for statistical data analysis we need here statistical data analysis pack, which is very important for statistical analysis. So if in your Excel this is not exist here, you have to click on file and then click option. Next you have to click the add ins. Next is analysis tool pack and then click go and click your analysis tool pack and then click OK. Now you can see it appear here, so you can click it data analysis and all the statistical tool analysis tools are available here. That is your ANOVA two-factor correlation, covariance, descriptive statistic, and you can check all are here available, all the tests are here. So this is important for you, and so this video was just to how appear your data analysis icon here on your Excel sheet where you can analyze your data. Thank you very much.